Welcome back to another lesson with the Haitian Creole lesson. Today's lesson is going to be about learning the numbers. I have different parts to this lesson, and today is part one, where we will be learning the numbers in Haitian Creole from 1 to 20. All right, so numbers are ni, me, wo. Ni, me, wo. Let's go ahead. 1, un, un. 2, D, 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 3, trois, 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 4, quatre, 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 5, cinq, 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 6, six, 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 7, sept, 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 8, huit, 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 9, neuf, 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 10, dix, 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 11, onze, 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 12, douze, 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 13, treize, 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 14, quatorze, 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 15, quinze, 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 16, seize, 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 17, 17, dix-sept, dix-sept, 18, 18, dix-huit, 18, 19, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20. This concludes our lesson today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you can learn more Haitian Creole.